Hello people, welcome to another class in trigonometry. This is the part 6 in the trigonometry series and part 3 in trigonometric identities. Yeah, so let's begin. Before beginning, I'll ask you a question. What is sine square 45 degrees plus sine square 45? This is a pretty easy question. We know that sine 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square equal to how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is half plus half is whole, which is 1. Yeah. Another question. So what is sine square 30 degrees plus sine square 60 degrees? So solution is again pretty simple. That is what is sine 30? We know that it is a half whole square plus this is 3 by 2 whole square. So how much is this? This is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is again 1. Wait. Here 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Here 45 plus 45 is also 90. Isn't it fascinating? Yes, it is. So we have a lot of small tricks and techniques for solving these kinds of questions. Now I'm going to show them to you. Let's begin. Starting with 1. Yeah, of course, everything starts with 1. If theta equal to 90 degrees or 270 degrees, then okay, in the place of theta we can write theta equal to a plus b. Okay, you know what this a plus b now. So sine square theta, sine square a plus sine square b equal to 1. This is an identity and also a shortcut. We have many like this. Cos square a plus cos square b is also equal to 1, and tan a into tan b equal to 1. Similarly, cot a into cot b is also equal to 1. See, so if a plus b equal to 90 degrees or 270 degrees, then we have these following shortcut. For suppose if we give a question, sine square suppose 52 degrees plus sine square what will come 80, no not 80, sorry, sine square 38 degrees, what will be, we don't know, they are not standard values, right? We don't know their values, so we use this where 52 plus 38, this equals 90, so we can directly write the answer is 1. That's it. Pretty simple. So this is one of a few identities we have. We're gonna be learning more. So yeah, I'll rub this part, and I'm gonna rub this part. Yes. Yes. If this is the second one, if theta equal to 180 degrees, then theta equal to a plus b, we know that. So what will come? We'll start with cos a, this is cos a plus cos b equal to 0. So a plus b should be 180 to make sure that cos a plus cos b equal to 0, and sine a minus sine b is also equal to 0, and tan a plus tan b equal to 0. Yeah. So if a plus b equal to 180 degrees, then cos a plus cos b is 0, sine a minus sine b is 0, and tan a plus tan b is 0. Pretty simple. And if we change the theta value to 360 degrees, only signs change. See, here's the magic. This plus becomes minus and this plus. Yes, if theta equal to 360 and theta equal to a plus b, then cos a minus cos b is 0, sin a plus sin b is 0, and tan a plus tan b is always 0. Because in the both cases, tan a plus tan b is 0. So, yeah, these are few shortcuts. You see, if you are seeing this, you might only see this as a formula. But when you apply this in a question or a problem, then it will be wonderful. There will be a tricky question, and once this flashes in your mind, and oh yeah, this is it, the answer is 0. And whoa, I was doing this for a long time, and I got the answer in a flick. And we have few more like this. Fourth one, the third one was completed. Sine pi, not pi, sine theta, sorry, sine theta plus sine pi plus theta. You got it? Pi is 180 degrees in trigonometry. Plus sine 2 pi plus theta. Right? Yeah. So on up to sine n pi plus theta. How are you going to solve this? How are you going to solve it? So for this, we have a solution. If n, this is n, okay, don't forget, this is n. N is the digit before pi. Don't forget all these middle terms. Only concentrate on this term and this term. If n is even, n is even, then answer is 0. Again 0. If n is odd, then answer is sine theta. Question. For example, he'll ask you sine 45 plus sine, what is 180 plus 45? 225 plus sine 4, am I right? No, not right. No, yeah, sine 405 plus so on up to sine 3645. So what's going to be your answer? You're going to be blank with this question. So the solution is pretty simple. We can write this as sine 45 plus sine 180 plus 45. That is pi plus 45 plus sine 405 can be written as 2 pi. 2 pi is 360. 360 plus 45 is 405. 2 pi plus 45 plus so on up to sine. What can we write 3645 as? 3645 can be written as 3600 plus 45. Right? So we'll take only this term and we'll try to elaborate it. Sine 3600 plus 45 can be written as, try to divide this with 180. Okay, we'll not do it here. It's going to be confusing. Here's on 600 by 180. This 20. So sine, it's going to become 20, which is 20 pi plus 45. Yeah. So we got this term. So what is this? Let me erase this. So we got this term. What is the term? I'm going to put this ditto. Sine 20 pi plus 45 degrees, of course. So this is in the form of this. See, sine theta, which is sine 45, plus sine pi plus theta, 2 pi plus theta, plus so on up to 20 pi plus theta, which means that there is 3 pi plus theta, 4 pi plus theta, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 20. So, what is the answer? If n is even or odd. So, first we have to check n. N is 20. N is even. So, the answer is 0. Quite easy. Answer is 0. Hence, answer is 0. So, don't need to waste time on calculating all the values of all these 20 terms, but instead focus on the formula. That's going to be more easy. So we have one more like this. one more shortcut, identity, whatever you call it. It's gonna make problems easier. That's it. You just have to name it. Same formula for cos. We just have to remove this cos, cos, and cos. So for cos theta plus cos pi by theta plus, cos pi plus theta plus cos 2 pi plus theta plus cos n pi plus theta up so on up to n pi plus theta. If n is even, then answer is 0. If n is odd, then answer is cos theta, not sin theta. Yeah, we have to change this to a forward. So if a same question is given in the terms of cos rather than sine, the answer will be 0 still. Very easy formula, easy application, and easy answer too. Answer 0. And if the previous problem was 19 pi plus theta, then you just have to concentrate on sine theta. We had sine theta as sine 45. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. Or even cos 45, the answer is going to be same. 1 by root 2. The only thing matters is your view. You have to see the question properly. You have to analyze the question so that you have to make it to match it one of two our formulas. We have many formulae in trigonometry. Just have to, you have to identify which formula fits in the problem and just apply it. That's it. Yeah, this is it. We don't have more. I mean, we have more, but I guess this is it for now. And we have more shortcuts. Oh yeah, that is I don't know which one. This is 6, right? Yeah, 6. This is 6. For 6, what do we have? Yeah, we have cos square theta minus cos square theta equal to cos square theta times cot square theta. Yes, this is also an identity. It's going to be useful in some cases only. And here in the same places we can write this as cosine square theta minus cotan square theta equal to that. So if we remove the co, it will become sine square theta minus tan square theta equal to sine square theta times dot times multiplication, which is dot, into tan square theta. Easy. And we are missing 2 more trigonometric ratios. That is what are they? Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to same secant square theta times cosecant square theta. This might be useful in some cases only where there are fractions and you have to cancel out some of the terms. Then this identity is going to be useful. That's it for the identities now. I'm sorry guys, actually the time is running out, and thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe for more videos, and please share the video, like it, and leave a comment if you have any doubts. And please do WhatsApp to my number if you have any doubts in mathematics. That is 832-814-7055. Please WhatsApp me to this number if you have any doubts in mathematics. Okay? Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.